Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you another video, another creation. And you've probably seen that pool table, that hand pool table before, but this room is now featuring this sofa here, this piece of furniture that I made for my aunt. I'm working on a project for her, but before I give her the furniture piece, I wanted to display it somewhere in one of my doll houses. So I have this room here, which is kind of like the man cave. It's supposed to be a pool room. That's why there's a pool table right there and some items of interest for men, right? So in here, I am displaying the handmade sofa that I made for my aunt, and we are going to position it in that area right there. So I'll tell you how I made it. I took some foam and I took some fabric, the white and black fabric, and I wrapped it up and I reinforced it with a thread and a needle. I also used some cardboard to keep it together and some push pins that look like hooks. Those are just push pins. So they are holding the cardboard to the foam piece that's covered in fabric, and it's all reinforced with thread. Then I used some foam pieces on the side to make some armrests, and then I have the other piece of foam, this one, that goes right here as the pillow part, the cushion part. So I am going to place it right here in this corner, and it just blends in so well because of the black and white, and it just looks like a masculine type of furniture piece. So that's why I wanted to display it in here. I think it came out pretty good. The walls here are black and white, checkered black and white, and that is from file folders. I have black and white file folders, and they do wonders for decoration in a dollhouse. You can use it as a kitchen floor, or you can use it for anything. Cut them out. Every piece will come out nice and straight because everything is just boxed. So I just love that type of file folder. Then I looked just for pictures from Google on dogs that are playing pool. Look at those beautiful dogs playing pool, and they're just funny. Then I got this other black and white picture there. I'm not sure if you can see the background up there, but everything is sports related. Then I have a bottle of Coca-Cola and some other pieces there, even a sword, some dice, that metal tin there that came with like 15 swords. See these swords here? I bought them at a flea market in that bin for $3, and I couldn't believe it. And they're not plastic, they're metal. Let's see if I can show you. Okay, this one is plastic, and that wasn't even part of it. But the other ones, like these, this one is metal. See? So let me place it up here without knocking out anything. So this was the best place to place them in a pool room. Then there's a gun over there, you see it? It's supposed to be, I think, a knife. There's a little knife inserted in there. And then I made some seats, handmade seats. The seat is foam, and the base is from, I think from tape, from a ribbon. Then I had a foam dice there, the yellow one. Some more swords, some dominoes here, and the pool table, which I love and I'm so proud of. So for the pool table, I used, it was a card holder. So I used some black felt and I placed it in the middle, some toothpicks as the pool sticks, and the little balls are just beads from a bracelet. That's all it is. And then as the legs, I used magnets. Those are all magnets. This one's a little crooked, but it's all magnetic. Look at that under the table. So I love my pool table. Then I have a salt and pepper shaker here, which just goes really well in this room here. This is inside one of my doll houses. That's why you see a door there. There's a hallway in here. There's a sewing room, another room. But you've probably seen these rooms before. But right now we are focusing on this particular room. The light is from the Dollar Tree. It uses 3 AAA batteries. Now, I forgot to tell you about that blue area there where the shelves are. That shelf unit is the interior of a jewelry box. But being that it was blue like that, I don't know, it looked a little bit masculine, so I used it in here. And I also added a mirror to give this room a larger effect, and it works. Look at that. You can see everything on that side, and it just looks like another room, or it just looks large. Then I have another picture up there. Now these dogs are playing cards. These are playing cards, and these are playing pool. Then I have something that looks like a flat screen TV up here, and it's just a flat plastic piece with a little Sony paper from a magazine, an advertisement. That's all it is. The flooring is some tiles that I've had for a while. So I took all the blues and the whites, the light colors, and I mixed them all in to make a floor. And it all worked. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. I think that I went over everything in here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And I thank you for watching.